Well, we've made a lot of progress. Thank you.
It's not as what I thought. I unscrewed 2 bolts, which I thought that were the problem. There we go.
I think some of this, these big boards, I think we're just gonna have to redo.
Do you want to keep the seat or no?
Well, throw it outside for right now. Been taking off the screws with the Sawzall. I think I got to get a different blade and we'll grind them down because they are screws. I pulled some out that I can. I think the back here is pretty shot. So might be a rebuild, who knows? Or lawn chairs. Yeah, it's out now. Oh boy.
Ooh, there's things growing out of it.
Yes.
It's a greenery.
This is very rotted wood.
Yeah. Because there's really, to my knowledge, there shouldn't be. Maybe he had LED lights here. Yeah, they put LED lights on this thing, like on the inside here. There's really no reason to have a battery, I don't want to say, on this stuff.
Giant spider. Yes. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. What are you doing? Just
Go, keep cutting.
whoa, damn. It feels like I want to step on it a little bit more than stepping on all this carpet and whatever.
It's coming through, or we're getting through. Who knows?
I mean, just a little, like,
the USS Rolling with Adventure is giving us a run for the money. Some things I've come upon is the mount's busted. I don't know anything about this motor. It looks pretty dirty. It's gonna definitely need some cleaning. We'll see if I can get some of these off. Even after everything is painted over, things have been coming up pretty good. This one's gonna be somewhat of a pain. Let's see if I can get this going. We're gonna keep these bracket trees though.
oh, you just get the board off.
Yeah, that's the plan. Got that.
The cleanup commences. Day 1 is over.
Well, welcome back. Day 2 of the demo. We've done a lot of work. We went to church, got dinner going in the crock pot, cut myself. Awesome. But we've also found some things. Down there, can't really see it, but we got our first hole in the boat underneath, somewhere in that area. Yeah. So, working on getting somebody that I know to weld, but we have cleaned this up quite a bit. No other holes. Okay. See what we're getting ourselves into. I noticed out of the gate, this bracket is busted. I might be able to get it online, or if some people sell some of these older motors for parts. So, looks pretty dirty in here. We're gonna vacuum it out, clean things up, take our time, and then we're gonna check the gas can, and then we will see if it actually wants to run. Put some water in a garbage thing and go from there. So we'll get started. What are you doing?
Except for the gas can. It's filled with something, maybe not gas.
How old's the gas?
I don't know.
Tell me more.
At least 10 years.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know.
Get rid of the gas, old gas, and we'll put fresh on it in if we're gonna try to start this thing. Heading to gas station in town. I found some 2-stroke oil from dirt bike days, some good stuff. And we'll do a 50-to-1 ratio, and I'll throw 89 octane in right now. Eventually I'll probably do wreck fuel, but we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put some sea foam in there too. And then when we get back, we'll get a garbage can filled with water, and we'll give this thing a yank and see what we can do.
Arrival for gas.
Yep.
Pouring oil first.
Yep, I'm gonna do 50-to-1 ratio with my cool handy dandy measuring cup. We're gonna do 2 gallons, and then the seafoam mix.
Does it matter how much seafoam you put in it?
I think it's like 1 gallon per ounce, but I just dump it.
Oh.
Cleaner the better.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna give her a try. I never have had a boat.
Oh my
Where's it coming?
gosh! Through the top of that thing.
So cracked. Already. Bad
I
problems.
see it. Yeah.
Yep.
She wants
We're also checking the spark plug while we're at it, but we have a leak in, not the carburetor, I don't know what would you call it. It's just where one pipe goes into for like the primer, and then we have another pipe, but it's not the pipes that are leaking, it is the little box.
One problem after another. We got busted lines, cracked items. We'll see if it's worth diving into.
So it somewhat works. We got it started for what, 30 seconds?
No.
10 seconds, 15?
Maybe. Yeah.
Something like that. But it ran pretty well, but then it died out. So
We got
it's
holes
either
and cracked lines and all this
Yeah.
other stuff.
So I think what we're gonna try doing right now, which
I don't know.
I don't know if it's a good idea, but we're gonna maybe try bypassing that little whatever you want to call
Diaphragm? I don't know.
that. Yeah.
It says filter. Oh, it's a filter. You know what? If
So-
that's a filter, I might be able to
Buy a
get
filter.
an inline filter.
Somebody, I'm not gonna say who, but had the great idea of
It doesn't even work.
okay, maybe if it'll work, putting this, because it is smaller, as you can kind of see, than that one right there, we think. So we're gonna shove this guy in there and then to the other tube. So then hopefully this will act as the filter, but we might have to buy a filter.
Okay, we made some makeshift, took off the filter that was cracked. We're gonna see, hopefully it doesn't spray me in my face. I almost feel like now there's back pressure. Why is that? Hold on. Do you think there's too much, there's not enough flow? Like meaning that line is too small, the interior diameter, and it's reducing?
Maybe.
I think that's what it is. Watch it. Okay, that's what I think is happening. Is that diameter. I'm trying to force this big fluid. If you see, like, so we might need to make a trip up the family farm.
Yep.
See what we can do on some things.
Okay.
Okay. So I had to order a fuel filter on Amazon. So I figured out this in 1968. So
Holy
for right now, I just put the lines together, and he's gonna back up, and that's, we're gonna see her rip.
Join us next time and see if the boat motor starts. See ya.